Hello everyone. In this part of the video, I will give some question answers from chapter number 9 for class 7 students. So let's start with the question answer number 1. List the factors which affect the climate of Europe. So the answer you will write, the factors which affect the climate of Europe are latitudes, North Atlantic drift, prevailing winds, nearness to water bodies. Question number 2. In which climatic zone is Europe located? So the answer you will write, most of the continent of Europe lies in the temperate belt in mid latitudinal zone. A small part lies beyond the Arctic Circle in the frigid zone. Number 3, list the different types of climate found in Europe. So the answer you will write, the different types of climate found in Europe are West European climate, continental climate, Mediterranean climate, taiga climate and tundra climate. Question number 4, why is the West European type of climate called maritime climate? So the answer you will write, the West European climate is called maritime climate because temperatures do not vary too much because of the influence of the sea. Next, question number 5, describe the distribution of power resources in Europe. So the answer that you will write here in table. Okay, I have made a table. First I have mentioned all the minerals and their mining regions. As you can see, I have mentioned coal and its mining region, iron ore, petroleum, zinc, lead. So all these things you need to write in the copy. Moving on to the differentiate number 1, differentiate between tundra climate and taiga climate. So in tundra climate you will write, the tundra or Arctic climate is found in the extreme northern parts of Europe which lie beyond the Arctic Circle. Parts of Sweden, Norway, Russia and Finland which lie in the frigid zone experience this type of climate. Second point, in tundra climate you will write, in this climate summers are short and cool while winters are long and severe. Snowfall is common in winter. In taiga climate, first point you will write, taiga climate is found to the south of the tundra region between latitude 60° north to 66.5° north. The regions include parts of Norway, Finland, Sweden and Russia. Second point, in taiga climate you will write, in this type of climate the winters are long and very cold while summers are short and warm. Moving on to the second differentiate, taiga vegetation and mixed vegetation. So in taiga vegetation you will write, taiga region is covered with evergreen coniferous trees of softwood such as pine, spruce, fir and cedar. Taiga forests are found in parts of Norway, Sweden, Finland and Russia. In the mixed vegetation you will write, mixed forest belt lies south of the taiga region and has suitable climate for the growth of deciduous forest. Important trees are beech, oak, ash and birch. Next, differentiate between maritime climate and continental climate. So in maritime climate you will write, the countries in the northwest of the continent come under the influence of this climate. This include the British Isles, the western France, northern Spain, Norway and Denmark. In the continental climate, first point you will write, the continental climate mostly found in the East European countries including Russia where there are extremes of climate. So in the maritime climate, second point you will write, summers are warm and winters are cool. Temperatures do not vary too much because of the influence of the sea. And in the continental climate, second point you will write, this region is located far away from the moderating influence of the sea, hence the winters are long and cold, summers are short and hot. Fourth point you will write, fourth differentiate, the question is differentiate between trade winds and westerlies. So in trade winds we will write, in the Mediterranean climate summers are warm and dry because of the influence of the offshore trade winds and due to the northward shift of subtropical high pressure belt. And in the westerlies you will write, westerly winds are a common phenomena during the European winters. A major parts of Europe is influenced by the westerlies. These winds are warm and moisture laden throughout the year. They give rainfall to the western margins of Europe.